If you would like to find additional online accounts that a user has, I highly recommend you use these two websites. These are very powerful websites that will check whether a username is registered or has a profile on hundreds of websites. For me, when I have a username, I always go to What's My Name and Blackbird to see what accounts uses the exact same username. So the first website that I would like to show you is called whatsmyname.app. You'll find its link in the resources of this lecture. And here you want to add the usernames of the person. So I would like to go to my notes, and here you can see the usernames that I have collected. And I would like to copy one username first, and then go to this website and put it in here. I can obviously add more than one username, and it will check whether these usernames have an account on different websites. And then I can select the category or on which websites I would like to search for this username. And in my case, I always like to select all and then click on search. And then this website will search for these usernames on hundreds of websites. So we can see that it's searching for this username on 633 websites. Now, as I said before, some search results are false positive, which means that even if you opened or you got a result and you open the URL, you'll find that there is no username has been found on this particular website. So let's open all the links. I would like to open this one first. We already have his GitHub account. We already have his Gravatar account, but here we can see that he has a HackerRank account. Now, please keep in mind that you always have to check all the links because sometimes another person might use the exact same username. But in this case, we can see that Rishi Kabra had a HackerRank account, and we can see some information about him, like his LinkedIn account and GitHub account, and where he is currently working. But obviously, this is an old picture, and this is an old account because this is the company that he used to work at. Now let's go to his Gravatar account. We can see here a Gravatar account with his profile picture. And here we can see another profile that we did not find before. We can see his Twitter account and GitHub account. So let me open this one, and it does not work. So let me come back. We can also see the company where he's working at, which is obviously the old company. Now let's come back and open other links. So we already have his Snapchat account. We can see some tweets that are archived in Wayback Machine. And I would like to cover this in a future lecture because I would like to cover this topic in detail. So we can see here his Pinterest account, which is an account that we have already covered before. But here we can see that he has a PixArt account that we didn't find before. This account does not have any information. We can go to About or Liked or Collection, and we will not see anything. But it's always good to see or know the accounts that this person has, because this might tell you or give you an ID on the person's likes. And here we have another account. We can see that he joined in 2019, and this is a service to automate your post schedules. Now let's come back and try to search for multiple usernames. I would like to copy these usernames and then come in here and add them like this. So right now we have all of these usernames, and then I'm going to say search. Now let's have a look at the search results. We can see that this username has an account on Calendly. So let's open this link. And here we are going to see his profile picture. So he has an account on this website. We can also come back and open this link, which is also a profile on Calendly. As you can see here, we can see a different text than the one that we found here right here. Now we can scroll down and open all of these links. Let's open this one and this one, for example. So we can see that this person has a profile on this website, which tells us that he plays chess. Now we don't know if this is the Rishi Kabra that we're looking for or another person with this name. So let me go to this profile. And here we can see that he uses this profile picture that he used on his Facebook account and Instagram account. And we can see that the last game that he played was on March 6, 2024. I always like to download this file as a CSV file and as a PDF file. So I can click on PDF and this will generate a report with the links and the usernames and the category. So this is always helpful to organize the information that you have found. I always like to verify and open every single link that I have found because I might be able to find some information that I didn't find before. Now let's come back to our notes. I'm going to click on this plus sign and then say usernames and then add a file. So I'm going to say slash and then I'm going to say PDF to embed a PDF file. And I would like to upload the files that we have downloaded from Blackbird and What's My Name. So this is the first file. And now I'm going to upload the second file, just like this. And then I can close this window. So right now we have a subcategory called usernames. And if we clicked on it, we can download these two reports.